Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another one for you. Dodge Magnum. Came in all red with the all black interior. Now we put the 3-tone on it. It came in with the 24'S already and the LAMBO doors. Customer wanted the GAMECOCKS logo airbrushed on the hood, so we had that done. He wanted the GAMECOCKS colors, the burgundy, the white, and the black. His nickname is SUPA, so he wanted that airbrush on the bottom of the doors as well. This is all paint, no stickers. As y'all can see, like every other vehicle that leaves John's Restoration, the paint is real wet. Y'all see the reflection on it. We also did the interior. He sent me another customer, the dude Tim that we did the black Navigator for with the 26s in the interior and the music. This is one of his people he had sent. So when he dropped it off, he had no idea that he was getting ostrich on the inside. We threw that in as a thank you for the other job that he sent us. We also added the headrest TVs. We also did the headliner. The headliner's ostrich also. This vehicle had a total color change and a total inside change. So 3-tone on the inside as well as matching 3-tone on the outside. Another one done by John's Restoration. This is how me and the team do here. We get them in and get them out. Most important of all, we make them right. We ain't perfect, so if something's wrong, we definitely stand behind it. This your man Big John, John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Give us a call if you need something done. Paint, bodywork, interior, stereos, custom enclosures, rims and tires, spray and bed liners, and also insurance claims. So if your car is wrecked or damaged, we don't only do custom paint, we paint them back to factory also. So give us a call. We in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Or go on Facebook.com/John's Restoration and become a friend and see all the latest pictures and videos. All the before videos of this car and every other car is up there. Good day.